what's something you took on like this is gonna be great, and then you go, what in the hell did we get ourselves into?
We have some of those now. No, one that just sticks in my mind, and it's not that I wish we hadn't taken it on. I didn't know what I was getting into when we started it. It was a portfolio of assets, office buildings here in San Antonio that was owned by a family who the father of the family had passed away. He didn't leave a good will. One of the buildings was in bankruptcy. The siblings were fighting. It was very, very difficult. And the buildings were difficult. They had a lot of deferred maintenance, not well leased for the most part, a lot of moving parts. And so we took it on, and that was my baby for a couple of years. And I think there were 6 buildings total. Well, because it was in bankruptcy, I didn't know this when we took the job on. I had to go to bankruptcy court and testify once a month and give them an update on where we were in the process. I had to bring my marketing sheets and show them how many investors we've talked to. I had to bring our offer matrices and show them how many offers we've gotten and qualify the offers to the bankruptcy judge. And that's kind of daunting. I mean, but I went so often that my partner, Todd Mills is my partner at the office, and we actually were down on Grayson one afternoon for lunch, and he said, Carrie, those people are just staring at you. And I'm like, who? And I turned around and I go, well, I don't know them. When they finished their lunch, they came over to shake my hand. It was the bankruptcy judge, but I didn't even recognize him without his robe on. But I had seen him that many times. We ended up selling the buildings. There was just a lot of lawsuits going on, and just having to, really keep track of everything I did, every email I sent, every email I received, every phone call I made. It was a long, I think it was 2 years before we got all the projects sold, but they did sell.